What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. Well, today I'm hoping this is going to be a short video. Let's go ahead and talk about two GPUs that I just got back from getting repaired. Before you guys ask, I have these privately repaired. There's a lot of people that have commented on past videos and hit me up in Discord. This is an individual in my Discord that reached out to me months and months and months ago, and I've had them repair many of my cards, but they do it privately. They kind of seek out individuals having issues and they'll help them here and there, but it's not something that they make public. I think it's because of the massive amount of demand that's out there. I mean, I've already had 5 cards looked at since starting my channel back in February. So hopefully you guys understand when I kind of give that PSA that this person, I can't disclose the person's information, I'm sorry. So let's talk about it. So we had 2 cards that we did have sent out. Both of these cards all of a sudden gave me a problem. One is an EVGA 1066 gig. The other one is in Zotac, my arch nemesis, Zotac 1080. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my chair here, wheel over, story time. So both these cards actually had a very similar problem with them. In HIVEOS, they actually started showing up as like GA 102 or 104 or whatever. And they didn't have any information on the card. There was no BIOS information on them, and the card wouldn't do anything. So I troubleshooted them the best I could. And it was really odd. It just suddenly started occurring. It kind of happened out of nowhere. And it was both these cards within a week of each other. I mean, I tried all different things. I re-thermal pasted them as a Hail Mary. I went ahead and put them in a Windows rig. They didn't even show up in Windows. Nothing at all. And so I finally gave up. It was past my skill set. I started, mining back in February. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed here, throwing you guys around. I do apologize. So I started back in February, and this is just a little too far outside of my realm of comfort. So I thought, okay, let's go ahead and send these to somebody who specializes in electrical engineering, I shouldn't even say electrical engineering, more it's just electrical repair. It's kind of a lost art in the United States. I've been chatting with a lot of people all over the world on my Discord. If you guys aren't familiar, I'll put a link down below. And they find that a lot of these electronic repair shops are, all over the place. In the US, there's none. I think it's because in the US we find ourselves just, things are so replaceable. TVs, computers, graphics cards. Not to say we have better supply of graphics cards right now than anyone else, but that being said, it's just hard. I don't know anybody who does graphics cards repairs. So anyways, stop blabbing on. I went ahead and set these out for repair. The individual looked over them and got back to me, did some work on them, and found that there weren't any burnt capacitors on them. There was no damage anywhere. Nothing looked odd. I mean, I've been mining on these for weeks and weeks and weeks, months even. So what they did find though was that, as a lot of people will do, is look at the solders. Looking at the solders on the board as time goes on, they just from wear and tear and age, they just go ahead and have issues. So he has a specialized way of protecting the die and everything like that, but he went ahead and he heats these, he strips them down and heats them with this like special machine that he has. Not like you're throwing it in the oven, Do not put your GPUs in the oven, I'm sorry. It's not good for anything. Like, your die is not meant to be heated up like that at all. But anyways, he went ahead and sent me some really cool pictures, and when I do some editing, I'll see if I can find them. But it was like a before and after of the actual solders, and I guess he has some crazy magnifying camera dealio that he can see, and he was able to see that like the solders were just shot in this, and they were very much aged. And so by heating the areas that needed to be repaired, it continued that flow and corrected the solders, and bam, good to go. So he sent them back to me, and that takes us to where we are today, is the fans. So he let me know, look at that, you see that wobble? Let me do that again. He let me know the fans in the Zotac need to be replaced. Probably more this one here, which you might as well do both. Yeah, look at that. He let me know that the fans are shot and need to be replaced in this. And I thought, instead of having him do it, I was like, I could do it, right? I could try it to see how it goes. Yeah, famous last words. So anyways, I bought new fans for my Zotac. I actually found them right on Amazon. And this vendor on Amazon, Robert, actually sells a boatload of different ones out there for the different models, and I was able to find the exact ones I needed. I was able to look on the Zotac, find the exact model, and get them ordered. So we have fan replacements here. So let me go ahead and get my camera set up on a tripod, and I'm gonna try to replace the fans in this Zotac, and we'll see how we make out. We have defeated the fan boss. Well guys, we did it. We replaced these Zotac fans. Who knows how many years old these were. And we have got the new ones installed and good to go. Heck yeah. So my next step is to go ahead and get a riser on this and to get PCI cable and get this installed in my mining rig. Well guys, thank you guys very much for joining me today. I'm not gonna lie, I was planning for this to be a 5-minute video until I realized I had to remove the heatsink. It wasn't really that difficult, other than the fact of like knowing how to take everything apart with like the little screws and stuff like that. And you know, I thought, oh, I'm gonna two or three screws, take off the shroud, then I can remove the fans and bam, I'm done. Not so easy. Other than that, this wasn't difficult. I recommend it to any new miner like myself. Take it apart, learn as you go, just like I did. Every card is completely different, so the next card I need to replace fans on won't be the same as this one. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you guys have a good one.